Okay, man, this is guns, knives, and watches, boy. We gonna talk about that there Kelty 66, man. Or that there Kelty 4000, or that there 2850. And we gonna talk about that there beltage typage deviceage, man. And you know, literally what I got on this pack right now is much different than the way it was before, because we got them two of them there max edition type small pouches, man, which are like 6 inches by 1.5 inches by 4 inches or whatever the hell that is, man. They're about 36 cubic inches per pack, man. 36 cubic inches, man. We got out there total of 72 cubic inches right there, man. And they're probably some of the most valuable square inches in your pack. Why is that? Because it's readily accessible. It's right on your belt, this, that, or the other. Now, I don't have this belt actually configured the way I would wear it. I've got it kind of sucked in there kind of tightish, baby. Because, you know, we gonna get in that there picture, man. Because we gotta do that, man. So, you ain't got no spacage for no knifeage, man. Where normally, man, this would be outage like hereage, man. And we got some spacage, man, for that there knife. But we ain't there, man. Oh my God, yeah, boy, and we gonna tighten it just like that, boy. And you can see that it's actually that's their patented device, man. Now we're gonna talk about that there beltage pouches, man, because they have to open going forward, because you need them in fast action, baby. Oh Lord God, baby, there we go. So what are we going to access with them there beltage type pouches? One of the things we're going to access is possibly a compass, because we need to navigate. 2, we some blind motherfuckers, so we need to see something. We going to look at it through that there magnification device right there. We got illumination, baby. Woo! Then we got, of course, that there orange type bandanage, man. It's just taking care of that there vortex optics, man. That there reticle type aiming device, which means I'm gonna range your ass and you're dead, because that's just the way it works, man. This is all about killing. I ain't ranging you just for no reason. We gotta know where the bullets lie, baby. Now, then on the other side, we got that there head type wearing surefire 1, 2, 3 device, because we ain't no fags using no AA, AAA, nothing like that. We're CR 1, 2, 3 type, because this is a military pack, man. Then we got that there one hand opening folder, because SAS, man, always say you got to have that there one hand opening knife right there. But we got other tools on here like a saw and that kind of crap. And it ain't no serrations on that motherfucker, so we gonna go there. And then we got that there Swiss tool spirit, because we just like it like that, baby. And then we got that there burley bomb, baby. If you ain't burly, you're girly. And that's just the way it works, man. And you gotta wear that burly bomb, or you're being a little girly man. That's what's right here, man. And then you have extra room for other things that you actually might use, need, or this, there, or the other. It's not actually that hard to set up to understand. And of course, we have all of our lanyards to where we can do them like that, baby. And they can fall like that, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. We're going to do it just like that. So that basically gets through an understanding of kind of what's at the front of this pack. Now, what you're also going to have to understand is that this pack is designed to deal with all kinds of situations, man. It's in our situational awareness, man. What are we going to deal with in them there situations, man? Well, we gonna deal with that there old brainage type situation, because we gonna pop a lock, baby. We gonna pop that there thing out as you like outage, baby, and we gonna do this, that, or the other, man. Now, push some stuff down there. We got that there brainish type deviceage, man. We gonna, whoa, God. Now, there's a lot of science behind the things that I do, and there's a Bofung type radioage typeage situation with that there. Oh God, everything's separated. I can't deal with it, man. You're talking. I don't understand. You've got parts there, man. There's a reason for that. This is kind of a Bofung. That there, man. UV82, man, which is a 5-watt transmitter. It's a 5-watt transmitter. It's a 5-watt transmitter, and also 1 watt on low power, which makes it commercial model, which is why it's a, this is a C. It's not labeled as a C. Who gives a shit? But we took that their antenna offage, is just baby, which screws on there. The reason I had to take the battery off of it was simply because if you have this thing turned on and you hit transmit, even by accident, without an antenna on it, you're going to blow some shit up. I'm sorry, man. I understand the concepts of the physics behind this piece of equipment, and some of you dumb motherfuckers don't, which is why I have that there siege type deviceage that goes at 5 watts and also 1 watt when you have it on low. And some of you dumb motherfuckers don't understand. I don't understand what's legal or not, and ask dumbass questions like, are you really that they're you know, certified, man? One thing that would be cool if I had that there batterage type deviceage. This one is soldered between the top and the bottom. There's soldered connections here. It's not just some pushy thingy bobby. And of course we got an AC connector, because you know I'm gonna take somebody's shit, bitch. That's just the way it works, man. So anyway, this is the way I hook up my that there short waveage type FM receiverage type stuff, man. And we can shove that thing back up in there, because it ain't no big deal, man. Because we got all that shit taken apart. We gonna do it just like at that age, man. Because we gonna do it right there, man, and we gonna do it on that there sidage, man. Then here's where we're gonna go from there. Right here, man, we gonna turn that package over, and of course we gonna grab in it, and we're going to be able to pull out that there side armage in the right that there configurationage. And of course you understand that this is got loadage, and there ain't no one in the cartridges. And that's just the way it is. Then we got that there extra magazinage. And of course this is P and W arms, and if you shoot anything else, well, you just aren't good enough. Then you go in there and you got that there knife-edge type situationage, which we have, of course, on that there side-edge type carriage, and you know, that's just the way it works, baby. That's been modified by me, man, from Buckage, and that's some Matt Wetters, baby. Now, those are some of the things that you have to think about when you're carrying this there package. Why are you really carrying it? What are you really doing? What do you have issues with? Of course, we're firing it in a safe direction. Of course, I got a bullet trap over there, which you ain't never gonna see. We gonna talk about edges, but not really edge. But you've seen them other videos where I just fired into that there bullet trappage. But you know, fuck edge. So here we go. How are you going to set up your pack? What are you going to set it up for? Is the real estate up here on the belt that important for you? This is probably the only pack I'd actually buy at full price from Maxpedition. And it's kind of expensive, along with those fabric type. Them there Allison top 'em clip 'em. But what you want to do is up to you. I'm showing you a few other options for this pack that actually works. And I hope one of these days you have the opportunity to experience kind of all of this, because it's been tested, tried and true. Now what you can do, since you have a couple other them there molly type attachment, you got two, man, two of them there, stretch them, type them, devise them across them, that there lateral, this, that, or the other, man, horizontal them and vertical them. You can put one of them there, drop them, pouches them right there. And you can do it on there left-handed or right-handed. Don't matter what you fucking think, man. Because you got a couple of them, man. Because you're only using 1, 2, 3 of them. Right them, hear them, man. Yeah, boy. But, and that's something to think about also. It's guns, knives, and watches, baby. Peace out!